Na een soort hele hobbyprojecten en net uitpakte dromen, zie wij nou om inspiratie bij een oor. Want de oor kan mogelijk dat, wat wij nog net kennen. Maar als die oor alleen is, hoe jouwt die dan haar of zijn talent terug?
Wij binnen Eva en Michael.
En wij komen met camera en microfoon oer de drompel. Op ziek naar talenten die wij zelfs net ha.
Wij binnen nieuwsgierig.
En benijd binnen we ek.
So it's just like typical day. It's just like I will go to work, and then after, before like lunch, I will just come back here, and then it's just like I need to walk with my dog because just like my boyfriend is going to work. So I'm normally, it's just like I'm always with my dog, and then the rest of my day, if I have nothing to do, I'm reading books. If I'm a little bit boring, you know, like, or sometimes watching TV. But just on Netflix, you know, not like a normal television program because I can still not understand the whole thing, you know.
So, tell me.
Sorry. Because of the onion. I cannot stop it anymore.
What are you making?
So I will make this. I have two dishes. This side is for the, we call it like beef caldereta.
Beef caldereta?
Yeah. It's just like
Do
a
I say it
Filipino
right?
dish. Yeah.
Do I say beef caldereta?
Yeah. It's a Filipino dish. It's just like normally we cook this one. It's just like a special occasion or something.
And the other one?
And then the other one, I will make Filipino lumpia with the Filipino lumpia toge. No. This is just like a normal cut.
Okay.
Yeah. With the julienne cut, it will not see it in the dish, you know. So it's just like much better. We will cut it like a little bit like a big one.
Yeah.
So it's just like the square one.
Okay, wait. Can I join you?
Yeah, sure.
So you won't yell at me if I do it in a different way?
No.
Not sure? You may.
Little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah, I just don't like someone ruin my.
Of course.
It's just like when I'm cooking, I just don't like someone just like ruin how it should be.
Does it happen a lot?
Yeah, with my boyfriend.
Tell me.
It's just like he's the one who always I'm the one who will cook and then he's the one who will cut. But how he cut it, I just don't like it, you know. So I just need to repeat it again, do it again. So it's just like a double work for me. There's a day like I will woke up like I will just cry because there's nothing, you know. It's just like I felt like I miss my family, especially my mother because I'm too close with my mother. And then before I came here, it's just like my mother died. I don't like to call with my family also, like the time that my mother died already or something, and then only my father is there and then my siblings. I don't like to call them because I don't like them to worry about me, you know. I'm far for them. Yeah, snijbone.
Snijbone.
Yeah.
Snijbone.
But it's not a lot, just like half of it only. Just like I love like people, like I want to like invite them and to come over in my house and then I will cook with them or I will bake something for them, you know. So that one is just like we can put it already with the salt and pepper after a while.
Okay. Oh, it's good.
Yeah. So I will put now the cocos milk. This one is just like to make it a little bit creamy and then to make the sauce thick.
So a lot of dishes at the moment.
Yeah.
And I know someone is very good in afwassen.
Oh, I really need that one now.
Yes?
Time to shine.
Don't you see me shine?
Yes. So, we will just move everything now. So, we will start it for, well, this one we need to boil it a bit more. So, this one is klaar.
Is it klaar?
Yeah.
Okay, so het is klaar voor de lumpia?
Yes.
Okay. Then we're gonna get the camera. And we're gonna shot how we are, if we are good in rolling lumpia.
Yes.
For me, all the things that I have is just like, I don't have regret on it, you know. I always like put on that, like on my mind, all the things that happen because me, I believe in God, you know. I believe that everything that it happens to me is there's a reason always, you know, because God like made it happen to you, you know. Here is just like every person you need to make appointment first before you can go to their house, you know. So that's the thing that makes me feel lonely.
Yeah.
1 year that I was here, I really felt like I'm being lonely. Yeah, I have my boyfriend. Yeah. But the thing is just like I have the family of my boyfriend also. But the thing is just like I'm not fluent on Dutch yet. I cannot speak fluent the time. So and then it's so hard like I can tell to my boyfriend what my problem I have, you know. But the thing is just like it's still different like when you're talking with your own language also. In the Philippines, even I'm lonely, I have the friends there that I can just lean on, or I can just run directly. But here, the first year, to whom I will run?
This one, like the burkol, it's just like with the surkol, there's a burkol, there's like a lot of coal.
A lot of coal. And typical Frisian food.
Oh no, I never try it.
Suikerbrood.
No, I never try.
Suikerballen.
No.
It's like the bread with a lot of sugar in it.
No.
Wow.
I never tried that one. I really love it only like when I'm eating bread. It's just like the romboter met the pindakaas and then daarna is hagelslag.
Ah.
Yes, I really love it. Now for the plates. Take this.
How do you think Eva did? Did you do well?
Yeah, it's fine. Just like only for the wrapping of the lumpia. It's not so perfect, but
But
it's fine
you've seen better.
for the first time.
Okay, yeah.
So. Okay. So this one is really perfect. The beef is so soft. Yes.
Is this enough for 3? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, if it's still, that's just like, we can just take it. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. You guys first.
So is there in Filipina like the Philippines
Yeah.
like someone who does like the
No, normally it's just like we didn't do that one, but we let the guests first take the food.
And we start eating right away?
Nah, normally it's just like with its family, we pray.
Yeah? Shall we do that too?
do you pray?
Just a silent pray. Okay, let's do it. And I'm gone. Yeah. And you? I hope the potato is cooked. I'm not more on vegetables.
You don't like vegetables?
No. Shall we eat?
Yes, eet smakelijk.
Yes, it's smakelijk.
Yeah, I mean we can just try first this one and then because it's just like with the sauce, you know.
So okay.
we,
So you need to have it separate.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you can try the first dish.
Eet smakelijk.
It's smakelijk.
It's smakelijk.
It's nice.
I really like it.
Oh, sorry. I thought it's hard, the potato.
Het is volle beter om een beetje grutter te snijden.
Voor de eerste keer wie het oké.
Wij lieten de gasten altijd eerst opscheppen. Inspireer je terug Jamie, kunnen wij nou te gerren wat meer dwaan als jeder.